Inventors, entrepreneurs, and business owners, welcome to Bold Patents, Fort Worth, Texas. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I'm excited to share with you these 5 top resources for you, the inventor, right here in Fort Worth. Before I do that, I want to introduce Bold. So Bold Patents, we're a virtual law firm set up across the country in many cities. We're able to help you no matter where you are in each one. So I wanted to take some time to talk here about Fort Worth and the powerhouse it is to support you in the inventor. We stand ready to help protect you with patents, trademarks, exploring intellectual property and how you might commercialize it in the marketplace. So let's get to it. Here's the top 5. These are my personal picks for this city right here. Number 1, Tech FW, Tech Fort Worth. That's a nonprofit startup accelerator and incubator. They have a 12-week accelerator program you have to apply for, but it's incredible. So their program is called Think Lab. They do have sort of a niche and specialty toward healthcare, right, and biotech, biopharmaceutical, but really any type of invention or startup would be a worthy applicant. So check them out. They have resources, mentors, guidance, ways you can pitch your idea to investors. Really nice program. A couple of startups that came out of there recently are Actuate Therapeutics and Avius Research. They're both different companies and different therapeutics for cancer and inflammatory disease and other respiratory diseases as well. So Tech FW is my number 1 pick. Go check them out. I love the fact that they're a nonprofit, I should say. So not everyone there is, hungry to take your money. Okay, these are advisors, mentors. They're really giving their time, volunteering in many cases to help you. So they're really invested in your company and local resources, trying to get you that leg up. Number 2 is a big company, sort of a national company called Techstars. So this is for physical health at Fort Worth Accelerator. So Techstars, they partnered up with University of North Texas Health Science Center. And this accelerator, what that word means is you're taking a company that is really just grassroots, bootstrap, the entrepreneur, the founder is putting their own money in. The accelerator is an investment, okay, but it's structured. So that it's not just, hey, here's a bunch of money, go figure out how to go make this product sell. It's here's some mentors, here's some advice, here's some proven methods to manufacture, to market, to sell, to build a team. And so the investor will come on and provide that support guidance for you. But again, it's an applied program. You've got to be able to get in, show you that you're able to meet their criteria. So check out Techstars Physical Health Fort Worth Accelerator. Number 3 is called Capital Factory. It's a Texas-based accelerator, a co-working space that connects startups and inventors, investors, mentors, and customers. What I like about a co-working space is it's in-person and physical. In this digital world with tons of ability to operate, Bold Patents does, right? Our attorneys operate virtually to our inventors. But sitting side by side with other co-inventors, other teams that are bubbling up and start sharing ideas, there's something special about a co-working space where you can have lessons learned. Different companies at different stages of development can pass along lessons learned to each other. So check out the Capital Factory. They have got a lot going on. Recently, a new startup came out of there called Swivel. That's without the EL, SWIVL. It's a self-storage automation platform that streamlines operations for facility owners. So hardware, physical type of company that requires a lot of coordination. Check them out. Number 4 is Create FW. Create FW, Fort Worth. It's an incubator located in Fort Worth near Southside District. They support entrepreneurs, business owners, and those in the biotech space. Okay, a lot of resources and collaborative environment. So this startup that just came out of there is Enzo Apothecary. It's a wellness company offering natural skincare products and holistic health services. So it doesn't need to be hard sciences, right? It could be cosmetics, it could be beauty, aesthetics, right? Apparel. So great stuff there at Create FW. The last one here I want to make note of is Health Wildcatters. Health Wildcatters, it's based in Dallas, serves kind of the broader DFW area. They focus on healthcare startups, seed funding, mentorship, and have access to a lot of industry experts in healthcare. And so a recent company launched out of Health Wildcatters is called Inventors. It's a company specializing in the development of innovative ophthalmic, eye-related products. So these are great resources for you. There's a whole lot more. These are the top 5 that I wanted to come up with and share with you today in this awesome city. Bold Patents and our attorneys stand ready to help you consider patentability, novelty, non-obviousness, and get started with us before you go and launch and go public. Get with an attorney, get with a patent attorney to do that research, get your idea protected before you go launch, accelerate, incubate, and cooperate with some of these others. So I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.